Students, now in this session of video we will understand class 11 maths and the topic is set. So we have already discussed about set and the description of set also in last two videos. Today we will discuss type of sets. So first we have empty set. So a set is said to be empty or null, also void set. Empty, null and void set if it has no elements and it's said to be it is denoted by y. So what is empty set? Empty set containing no elements. Clear? So we have a set which is containing no element is called empty set and it is denoted by phi. Also in roster form phi is denoted by, in roster form phi is denoted by curly brackets but no element inside of that one. Clear? So we can understand by it an example means a set containing no element. So we can say A is a set such that x is belongs to real number and x square is equal to -2. Clear? So we know that when we take a square of this, so what we get? Under root and inside of this minus. Clear? Means -2 of inside of square root. So we know that it is not a real number, it is a imaginary number. So in that case if I will take any one of them, so we get phi, means no element I will get. Clear? So again we can understand one more example. B is a set such that x is belongs to natural number and x is between 5 and 6. So you know that no natural number belongs to between 5 and 6. So this set is phi. Clear? So this type of example you can take to creating a null set or empty set or void set. Clear? एक ऐसा सेट जिसमें कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं हो, so that is possible. Clear? We can say one more example that in class 11th the collection of a class 11 students whose height is greater than 2 meter. So we know that it is not possible that a student has a height greater than 2 meter. Clear? So that set is empty set. Next set we'll discuss finite set. Next we discuss finite set. Clear? So we define first of all what is finite set. Okay, so the definition of finite set is a set is called a finite set if it is either void set, means null set or empty set, or its element can be listed. Clear? We can list out the elements of that set or counted or labeled. Clear? A set is called a finite set if its element can be counted. Clear? So एक ऐसा set जिसके elements को हम लोग count कर सकते हैं, that set is called finite set. Clear? So we will take some example of this set. Example: A is a set such that x belongs to natural number and x is between 1 to 100. So this set is a finite set. Clear? One more example I can take. Example: river of India. So we know that the Indian rivers can be counted. Clear? Now next is we will discuss infinite set. So the infinite set is a set whose elements cannot be listed or cannot be counted or cannot be labeled. It's called infinite set. Clear? So infinite set means whose number cannot be counted. So we can see by an example. C is a set of even natural number. So we know that there is a infinite even natural numbers. Clear? So this set is infinite set. We can see one more example to clear our concept about that. The set of all lines in a plane. All line in a plane. So we know that there are infinite lines in a plane. Clear? So we discuss finite set whose numbers can be countable, infinite set whose number cannot be listed. Next we will discuss equivalent set. Okay, before we understand the equivalent set, we will understand the cardinal numbers. So the cardinal number is for the finite set. So what is cardinal number? First of all, we understand that the total number of element in a set is called cardinal numbers. Clear? उस set में कितने numbers हैं? Clear? Total, we are counting the total number of numbers, total number of elements of the set. Clear? So these are called cardinal numbers and it is denoted by Na. So we can understand what is cardinal number. So we can understand by it. Suppose that we have a set. So in this set we have some elements A, comma B, comma C, comma D, comma E, comma F. So the cardinal number is indicating the total number of elements inside of the set. So this is set A and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Na is equal to 6. It means the cardinal number of this set is 6. Clear? Okay, we can take one more example to clear our concept about the cardinal number. B is a set such that x belongs to natural number and x is between 1 to 100. So our set is starting from 1, greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 100. So we can say the cardinal number of this set B is equal to 100. Clear? So what we are doing in this cardinal number? We count the total number of elements in the set. Now we will understand equivalent set. Equivalent set. Two finite set A and B are equivalent if their cardinal numbers are same. So equivalent set is said to be if their cardinal numbers are, means number of elements in set A is equal to number of elements in set B. So we can understand it by an example. Means we have two sets A and B. So let set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we have another set B. It contains A, B, C and D. Clear? So we will see if we find the cardinal number of NA. NA is equal to how much? 4, and NB is equal to again 4. So what we will see? We will see that the cardinal number of both NA is equal to NB. Clear? So one important thing to be understand that it doesn't matter that the characteristic of the elements inside of the set. सेट के अंदर कैसे एलिमेंट्स हैं, उनमें क्या रिलेशन है, हमें उनसे मतलब नहीं है. वी हैव टू रिलेटेड देम बाय द कार्डिनल नंबर ओनली. सो व्हाट इन सेट ए वी हैव 1 2 3 4, इन सेट बी वी हैव ए बी सी डी. सो दे आर डिफरेंट. द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आर इक्वल बट एलिमेंट्स आर नॉट इक्वल. एलिमेंट्स इक्वल नहीं है, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इक्वल है. क्लियर है? सो दैट इज कॉल्ड इक्विवेलेंट सेट. नाउ विल अंडरस्टैंड इक्वल सेट. What I mean to say that equal set. Next, so what is equal set? Two set A and B is said to be equal set if every element of set A is a member of set B and every element of set B is a member of set A. Means every element inside of set A is equal to every element of set B. Clear? So we can take the similar example as I have taken in equivalent set. So let A is containing 1 2 3 4 and set B is also containing 4 2 3 and 1. So we can say thus every element of set A is also containing in set B. So these two set is said to be equal set. So it is denoted by A is a equal set of B. So two important things we have to remember, that the number of elements should be equal. The number of element should be equal to number of element in set B, and second, in both set the numbers should be in both set elements should be common. Means they both containing same elements. We can say both set contain same element. Clear? So this is called equivalent set. Clear? So in this session we have talk about type of set, empty set or finite set, infinite set, equivalent set, and the last we have singleton set. So what is singleton set? Singleton means a set is containing a single element is called singleton set. एक ऐसा set जिसमें सिर्फ एक single elements है. So example, we can say 5. Clear? Or we can say also x is belongs to natural number such that x is greater than 4 and less than 6. So we have getting 5 also. So these kind of elements, this kind of set is called singleton set. Clear? So in my next video I will solve the exercise related to this type topic. Clear?